Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change website colors in Webnode. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Webnode, and right here you want to click on the right top corner to settings. And when you're gonna be here, you want to click on design, and here you're gonna see website colors. So you can just click change colors, and you're gonna see the complementary color right here, right? So you can actually change it to whatever you want. And everything will be changed then, right? So this is pretty much how you do it, and this is the only way. And you can also like change the advanced settings here, and voila, here you got it. So again, design. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, but this is how you can do it. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.